So I'm going to go in with the potatoes in my basket. And now I'm going to add salt to taste. So just sprinkle the salt on it. And black pepper also. Just a light sprinkling. Give that a mix. And now, to give it a nice flavor, I'm going in with some buttered flavored cooking spray. This is going to help it to create a nice brown crust. And you just put it in. So I'm going to put it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So, ooh, they're nice and brown on the edges. So what I'm going to do is add in the rest of the ingredients, and I have chopped onions and colored peppers. And we want to season those up really well. So I'm going in with some Goya all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in with some cayenne pepper, just a little bit, and some paprika. And you want to give that a mix. And then we're going to spritz it with a little more of that butter. Just a little bit, and then this goes back into the machine. 320 for 15 minutes again, and press the start button. So here we have perfectly roasted potatoes, or breakfast potatoes. So I'm going to dish them.